Hi, I'm Kim Kremen. I am a Master Pilates trainer, and I'm here at Club Pilates in Newburyport, Massachusetts. And I'll be talking to you about the Reformer Trap Combo, or the RTC, and we'll be transitioning it from the Reformer to the Cadillac. So right now it's obviously set up as the Reformer, so we'll just go through it step by step on how to make it into the Cadillac. So first we want to take the shoulder rests off, so we'll take the straps and just put those on the floor. And I know at this angle you can't see too well, but these are the pegs that are on the shoulder rests. Those just untwist, the little screws, and you have to slide the shoulder rests forward, and they should come right off. And if your studio has a certain place for them, you can put them there. Otherwise, I'm just going to place them on the floor. Then the pulleys are kept up through these little pegs. So I'm just pulling the pegs out from the pulleys, and then we can slide the pulleys. So the pulleys are what holds the strap, and I'll just slide those both into place so they're all the way down. So you don't have to take them out completely, you just slide them down. Then we'll take all the springs off of the Reformer, and I'm going to slide that to the ends, and we'll take the foot bar. When we place it down, we want to fold it in towards the carriage, right? And then the little leg, we want to fold that towards the foot bar so everything's out of the way. Next, we have the mat extenders for the bed or the table of the trap combo. And there are definitely two distinct sides, so they're not interchangeable. So first of all, when you are storing these mat extenders, you want to make sure that you store them either the mat against the wall, and then you want to store it so that the two insides are touching each other, because you don't want to have the little pegs to be touching the wall, because they can actually take the paint off the wall, right? So just the tacky surface of this, so it doesn't slide, can also take the paint off of the wall. So we don't want that. When you put this on to the table, this side, I'll try to get this so you can see the angle better. So there's a lot of space on this side here, and there's not as much space on this side here. I don't know if you can see that. So it's the side that has more space. That's the one, it covers the platform. So that's the side that you want to put on there. So I'll just slide that in place here. So it covers the platform. And then it comes, make sure it's all the way forward. You really want to try to get the carriage to be all the way back as far as you can. Those pulleys kind of push it back. Then this side, there's these little flaps here. These little flaps, you want to make sure these flaps are on the pulley side or the closed side of the trap table, because these pulleys will protect the upholstery from the springs from the below. So otherwise it rubs against the material and it can rip the material. So I'm going to slide this in like this and make sure those flaps are out. And then it should just go right on there, and I just make sure those flaps are out. And now you're ready to use the RTC as the Cadillac.